Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add WooCommerce Product FAQs and boost buying confidence. Product FAQs help answer common customer questions directly on your product pages. By providing clear and structured answers, you can reduce confusion, build trust, and help customers make confident buying decisions. So, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Under Easy Accordion, open the Manage FAQ groups. From here, you can add as many FAQ groups as you need. For this tutorial, I've already created the FAQ groups. Next, you can assign these FAQs with full flexibility. Go to the Easy Accordion Settings panel and open the WooCommerce FAQs tab. Simply turn the option on. Here, you can add FAQs for all products, categories, or specific products, depending on your needs. To do this, click the Add New tab and you'll see all products. Any FAQ you add here will automatically appear on all product pages. Next, to add FAQs by category, select the category, choose the FAQs you want. To add FAQs for specific products, select the product and choose the FAQs you want. These FAQs will show only for that selected product. If you want to add multiple FAQs to a single product, go to the Product Edit page. Scroll down until you see EA FAQs, then open it. Here, you can add as many FAQ shortcodes as you like. After adding them, update the page. Now, when visitors view the product page, they'll see all the FAQs displayed clearly. You can also control the FAQ Tab Priority. This lets you decide the display order of FAQ tabs, so you can highlight the most important information first and guide customer attention more effectively. And that's it! This is how you can add WooCommerce Product FAQs, build trust, and boost customer confidence, leading to better engagement and higher conversions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.